Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to buy Ethereum on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Uniswap, and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now you just need to go and of course connect to your wallet. So you can do that by clicking on the top right corner here in the top right corner, and you can there connect your wallet. I have my wallet connected, but you'll have the connect button there. Now let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the trade, explore, and pool. And we have the search tokens. And here you can go and swap anytime, anywhere. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy Ethereum on Uniswap. So it is pretty simple. We need to go and focus on this screen here. Firstly, as I told you already, you need to go and connect your wallet in the top right corner. And then here, of course, I have ETH to sell, but you're not going to do that. You're going to go and select token. And here you will go and put Ethereum. And here now you'll put the, of course, token that you want to, of course, sell to actually go and buy Ethereum. Just when you go, for instance, let's say you were going to do it with, it's not that important. Let's say BNB, click on BNB. Then when you have it, just put the amount here, the number here. And when you put the number here, you'll see how much Ethereum you will get, or you can go BTC. It is not important. So basically you can go whatever, click the amount, you'll get how much ETH you will get here. And that's basically that. You just need to go and click on swap then, and you will have it swapped in no time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything. Bye, guys.